Welcome. If you're looking to keep tighter control over who manages video chats in your Telegram group, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to prevent another admin from managing video chats in your Telegram group using the PC app. First, make sure you have Telegram open on your computer. Once you're in, find and open the group where you're an admin. This process only works if you have administrative privileges in the group. With the group chat open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu, then select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Now, in the Management menu, find and click on Administrators. Here you'll see a list of all admins in your group. Choose the admin whose permissions you want to adjust and click on their name. A new window will appear, showing all the permissions currently granted to that admin. Look for the option labeled Manage Video Chats. This permission allows an admin to start, stop, or manage video calls within the group. To prevent this admin from controlling video chats, simply disable this option by unchecking the box next to it. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save. This ensures your changes are applied immediately. By following these steps, you can fine-tune what each admin in your group is allowed to do, helping you maintain order and privacy, especially when it comes to video chats. Telegram's granular admin rights make it easy to customize roles, so your group stays secure and runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram groups.